Hi, this is Srinivas. So in today's session, we are going to see about C tokens. So what are these C tokens are? So basically, we have seen that C is a structured programming language. So in structured programming language, a large program has been divided into small programs, which we call it as a functions. So here, C tokens are something like basic building blocks that are used to write your C program. So C tokens are the small units in your C program which we are used to write your C programs. So here C tokens are again divided something like keywords, constants or your literals. Next one is your identifier. Next one is your string. Next special symbols, and the last one is your operator. All these ones or C tokens are used to write your C program. So what we call it as C program is nothing but collection of your C tokens. Next one is your comments and your white spaces. So all these combinedly are used to write your C program. So we will see what are the C tokens. The first one is about your keywords. So what are your keywords? Keywords are nothing but a specific uh, names that have been there in your C program. So whenever your C compiler sees about these keywords, it understands that it need to do a particular task. So in your previous sessions, we have seen about keywords. In C, we are having 32 keywords. So for example, if you can see about your keywords, we are having int is a keyword. Next, void is also a keyword. For is also a keyword. So all these are your keywords which do a specific task in your C program. So we can't use these keywords as names of your program or your names of other variables. So similarly, the next one is your constants or your literals. So what are these constants or your literals? Basically, these constant or literals are nothing but some fixed values. So for example, if you can see height is fixed in your program, so there is no change in your height. Next one, if you can see the value of pi, basically the value of pi is nothing but 3.14. So whenever we are doing calculating the circle, we take pi value. So in this pi value will not change, it is the fixed value. So whenever there is any fixed values which will not be changing in your program, then we call these ones as constants or your literals. So these literals are again divided into something like integer literals, where integer constants. Next one is your character literals. We call it as there is next one is your string literals. Next, your boolean literals. So all these are your literals, your constant value which will not be changed. Next one is your identifier. So what is this identifier? The term identifier is nothing but something like a name of your variables, a name of your functions. All these are known as your identifiers. So something like if you see, if I am giving a variable name as int arg, so here the R is nothing but your identifier. Something like a function name. If you can say happy is a function, so this one is nothing but your identifier, the name of the function. So identifier is something like a variable names which will be given in your program. Next one is your string. String is nothing but a collection of your characters. So collection or group of characters. For example, for string, if I am giving hello world, so this is a group of characters which will be taken as string, and your last one is nothing but your null character. So for each and every string, the last one is your null character. So C compiler, whenever it sees the null character, it understands that is the end of the string. So string is nothing but collection of your characters. Next one is your special symbols. So what are these special symbols? Special symbols are nothing but the symbols which are not alphabets, which are not digits, and which are not your white spaces. Other than all these ones are recognized as special symbols in your C program. So for example, if you have seen here the array, this square bracket, this one is a special symbol, this one is a special symbol, asterisk is a special symbol, So your flower bracket is a special symbol. So all these symbols, other than your alphabets, digits, and white spaces, all these are your special symbols. Next one is your operators. So what are these operators? Operators are a predefined ones which are doing some mathematical or non-mathematical in your C program. So here, what are these operators? We are having different types of operators like addition, multiplication, division, percentile, all these are your operators, and these operators again divided into something like arithmetic operators, unary operators, bitwise operators, next relational operators, next one is your assignment operators. So all these operators are used in your C program. So basically whenever you write a C program, it is collection of all these C tokens, comments, and your white spaces. So each and every one are used in your C program. So C tokens are very much important as small blocks. All the C tokens consist of keywords, constants, identifiers, string, special symbol, operators. All these C tokens are used in your C program. To write a program, we use all these ones. So these are your C tokens in your C programming language. If you are having any queries, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.